today we'll be making a snowflake themed Christmas card, so let's get to crafting. To start, you're just going to want to make your design in Cricut Design Space. I created mine with a free snowflake design in Cricut from the images section. And then I am using the font Balin for Merry Christmas. And then I am using the other font, Biscuit, for Have a Merry Christmas. And Have a Merry Christmas is in writing, so you will need a Cricut pen for this. So for your actual card, you're going to want to make an 8x6 rectangle and then add a score line down the middle. To make the insert, you are going to need a 7 3/4 by 5 3/4 rectangle that also has a score line down the center. And I will be cutting Merry Christmas out of a separate cardstock than the snowflake, and the snowflake out of a separate cardstock than everything else. And now that you have made your design, load your mat, then cut it out. So once you've cut everything out, and I've already weeded Merry Christmas, so start by folding on the score lines. And once you have folded these, insert your Have a Merry Christmas paper. And I'll be using the Adtech Fine Line Liquid Glue for this. And just glue the black panel in and not the front. And once you have inserted that, it's time to work on the front. So grab your snowflake and glue it to the front, trying your best to center it, and don't forget to get glue on all of those outer edges. And next you're going to need a small piece of paper, and you're just going to want to put some of your glue onto the paper. So then just begin adding your letters to the front of your card. And I'm using my Cricut tweezers for this. And once you put this on the front of your card, let it dry. So here's how our snowflake card turned out. I think it is so cute. So thank you guys for joining today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays!